Right everyone, WeaponCollector here. Right, this is a video showing you how to aim a pistol, or basically anything with open sights. So this is a replica, but on most guns you're going to have the back sight, which has a groove essentially, and the front sight, which has a pin or a post. Now you line up the post with the groove. So if you see that, you put the post in the middle of the groove, and then you line those up with what you want to shoot. And as long as you have the post and the groove level, that is going to be essentially a straight shot. Now if you deviate from side to side or up and down so the post is sticking up, it will go other places. I'll show you the same thing with a pistol crossbow. So see the pin at the front, the groove at the back. You line those up so that the front of the pin fills the little groove, and then you line that up with what you want to shoot. And that is probably the simplest description of how to shoot a gun or a crossbow with open sights. Cheers for watching everyone. Don't forget to like the video, definitely subscribe, share it places that people may want to see this kind of thing, definitely comment. Thank you for watching, see you later.